Hello and welcome to CSI Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So in this video we're gonna discuss various problem related to coding platform. So the programming language we're gonna prefer here are mostly Java and Python. Please watch these videos carefully because the topics said in these videos are mostly preferable in your job time or internships. So daily we're gonna post a video which are related to the particular topic in Python and Java. So today's question is, what is the output of the following code? I'm type the code, so you guys just need to watch that code and tally a proper output in your mind. So today's code is regarding dictionary. So dictionary is a key concept during your internships and interview time. So please watch this video carefully. So this is the code. You guys just watch this code properly and tally a proper output in your mind. I'll give you 5 seconds. Just pause the video and tally a proper output. So it's 3, 2, 1 and let's go. I'm running the code. The value is 9. So before saying this answer, I'll explain you some terminology. In dictionary, generally this is the key and value of this key is 4. So Google is a key and its value is 5, and XYZ is a key and its value is 9. So generally you guys may got doubt that I have given command to print the value of this key XYZ, but we have two keys here with the same name XYZ. So the thing is that here XYZ is a duplicate key and duplicate keys are not allowed in Python, and if there are same keys in a dictionary, the value assigned most recently is assumed as the value. I'll explain you that. The most recent value given to this duplicate key is 9, so Python will accept this, so that's why it given the output like 9. Now I'll exchange these values. I'll give it as 9 and I'll put here 4. You'll get an output 4. So the Python doesn't accept any duplicate keys in its code. If we get a duplicate key, it will accept the recent value given to it. And I hope you got this logic, and I hope this video is very helpful for you, and let's meet in another video. Thank you guys.